What up everyone, this is Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows error 87. The cleanup image option is unknown, basically the DISM scan error that you may be getting. So let's get right into this. So the easiest way to fix this is to go to your search bar, type in services. Once you have this popped up, we're going to find something called Windows Modules Installer, right? So we're going to go down, we're going to find wherever it says Windows, let's just type W so we get to that spot. So in here, we're looking for something that says Windows Module Installer. So right here, right? So you're going to right click into this. You're going to go inside properties. So first, it might be either disabled or on manual, and you want to change it to automatic. And yours might not be running, so you want to press the start button. And even if it is running, stop it and then start it again. Press apply, press OK, restart your computer, try to basically be cleaned up again, and you should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have a video, please press it up. Guys, channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and then more tutorials out. Peace.